Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to fix failed face authentication on Poppo Live. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppo Live. The next thing is to tap at the last icon found at the bottom of your screen. That is your profile icon. So this is my home page of my profile icon. So what you have to do is to tap on the authentication icon. Mine is already marked good because I have completed my face authentication. To complete your face authentication, in case yours is not working, first of all, you have to make sure you have not completed an authentication with another account on Poppo Live. Poppo Live only allows one account authentication. You cannot have more than one account authenticated on Poppo Live. So if you have an account that has already been authenticated, Google Live will not allow you to authenticate another account. The next thing is to obey the instructions, like uploading of a full picture of yourself, just the way I did here, and completing my certificate by taking a live photo and obeying little instructions like nodding of head, smiling, and opening of my mouth. So any instruction given to you during the authentication process, you just have to obey it and not ignore it. That way, you'll be able to complete your authentication if you have not authenticated any other account on Poppo Live. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.